So,
Okay, so talking about how I've gone about developing the first module that I've been working on. Basically, I have the module I'm doing is on personal branding, which consists of some steps that I already know and have developed. So I looked at what are the learning objectives, what is it that I want people to be able to accomplish, what kind of overview information do I need to give people for each of these steps, and I'm really looking at how can we chunk this into some manageable chunks for people to get through. And then I looked at how can I have three levels of activity. A level of activity that is, you're interacting with the materials, but, maybe not going too deep. Then a level two where you're getting a little deeper, and then, a level three thing where you're getting even deeper. So looking at different activities that I could do to go with each module that let people go more deeply into the content that they were looking at. Obviously, a lot of those activities involved the image set, but not all of them, because not all things are going to lend themselves to using the image set. So part of what Christine and I have talked about is how to use visuals in other ways to support different activities. So coming up with more visually oriented worksheets, for example, that go with different modules. So it's a combination of looking at how to fit the image set into the different activities, and what are the framing questions that we want to ask, but then what are other ways that visuals can get incorporated into a process that I already know and have done in other ways, not using the visual kind of aspect. So that's really kind of the thought process that I've gone through. That's for this module. Who knows, maybe a little different thought process for, the other modules, but that's basically what I used for this one.